uncovering history, protecting identity.
Five. A strategic town in southern Somalia. Afgoi lies along the Shabelle River, about 30 kilometers west of Mogadishu. It is known for its fertile land, supporting agriculture and livestock. Historically, it served as a trade hub and a key stronghold in various conflicts.
4.
Genale. Located in Somalia's lower Shabelle region, Genale is an agricultural town with fertile soil. It was historically part of Italian, Somaliland's farming projects. In recent years, it has seen conflicts involving militant groups and government forces.
Three.
A small town near Kismayo, Gobwein sits at the confluence of the Juba River and the Indian Ocean. It is known for fishing, riverine farming, and its scenic landscape. It plays a role in regional trade and local tourism.
2.
Baydhabo is in southwestern Somalia, serving as the capital of the southwest state and the Bay region. The city has an estimated population of 1 million. It is surrounded by agricultural lands, making it an important center for farming. Baydhabo has a semi-arid climate with occasional rainfall, supporting crops like sorghum and maize. Known as the city of sorghum, Baydhabo is a critical agricultural hub in Somalia.
1.
A historic coastal city, Marka was a key port. In medieval Somali, Arab, Persian, Indian and even Chinese trade, it features beautiful beaches, rich cultural and religious heritage, but has suffered from instability. It remains an important hub for commerce and agriculture.
عسل حلوة مركا لوز زبيب سسن هذا تجابنيها أنا حلوة كسماي وأنت تجابيه بسم الله كنا تجابنيها والله معه
جزاك الله خيرا.
Subscribe for more.